fucking Dusky YouTube? It's your boy Yago Like Taco checking in. You already know what the fuck going on. Yeah.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy. Every hour.
You already know who it is. It's your boy.
I'm here with Fredo.
Every hour. Looking at it.
Got the whips outside. Sheesh. Yago just got these Serbs on the other day. These things are nice. It's big 18 by 11 and 18 by 10s. And it's just been freshly painted recently, so it's looking super good right now. And we got the S13. Right now it's got a bad axle, so I haven't really been sliding it, but it still be getting me around every day. We got the Drift Cat right here. This is the next Jensen, everybody.
Go ahead and cancel that order.
So, you feel me? Big body burst out in this bitch. A little hibernation makes sense if you look at the time.
This is Luke's GS. He's in the middle of getting the body work done on it. He had the quarter panel all messed up and the door, and it's almost got it where he's wants it at. Getting this thing ready for paint. These Velino wheels are super sick. Got the SSRs. Jordan's car covered in sanding dust from Luke. This thing's nice though. Freshly S52 swapped from a E36 M3. This thing's really nice. The paint's actually super nice on it when it is clean. But today, we're trying to diagnose some clicking sound or knocking sound or whatever Fredo said. He's got an issue in the rear end with the pause with the Hellcat. I'm gonna jack that up in a second and look at everything. We put like aftermarket rear toe arms on it. So we're gonna be bolt checking it and just shaking everything around, seeing if anything moves crazy or anything like that.
We'll just let this shit ride and shave itself out.
Big anime guy.
What can I say? Arigato.
This is just for video proof that you work on your car.
No, just so Jesse can't say I don't work on my shit.
Alright, so we got the car jacked up. We got the two back wheels popped off. I just checked the passenger side, all the control arms and everything. Everything looks and feels straight. All the nuts and bolts are tight. All the arms don't have any play. Now I'm over here on the driver's side, and this toe arm that we just installed is kind of turning a good bit, which would cause some movement in the suspension. Now, I guess it's whether we find out if one of these locking nuts aren't tight enough, or if one of the bolts aren't tight enough, or if the ball joints have already gone bad on them. But how to grab some tools and then figure out what that is real quick. Got some rotation.
Let me get the back.
Fully tight. So let me get a quarter rotation on it. Maybe it was loose. Nope, looks like that one's already tightened all the way. So, I guess either the ball joints have gone bad. Yeah, I guess that's really it, the ball joint. It's pretty crazy actually, because he's only like 2 months old. Damn, looks like you need a new toe arm. What do you think about that, Fredo? Is your finger in the camera?
No.
Okay, well. I guess I'm gonna test drive it and confirm that it is that movement in the toe arm that's causing the issue with how the car's driving.
Oh. Hey, turn the music down. I want to hear the wine.
Fredo's a thug, man. He's always got the music blessed.
I hear a click of noise. Come from the back left. Left side. It's an axle too.
I do feel it moving now, bro. It's literally that movement of us like turning that control arm.
Whoa.
I'm really shitty at driving Brennan's car. Every time I shift or let off the throttle, it's gonna be. Hope you remember where to go. See, fifth gear. Not used to that. Yo, zoom in.
Oh.
Not really trying to total Brennan's car today.
Oh, for real.
I feel like that wouldn't be like, you know, a good friend thing to do.
Wouldn't be weird the mirror of you.
See, I don't speak that kind of language. I'm speaking that bullshit. This turn is like hard to not get a skid on when you're in a 240. But I'm not gonna do it.
Why? Even all the way up. Oh, you hear a little
Doesn't
skid.
count.
I heard a little skid.
It sounded like those movies when someone's driving.
Oh.
Hey, buzz. Third gear. Yeah. Just making sure. because I'm leaving 21.
Yago, get it together, bro. What is you doing?
Hang on 1 second. What do you want to? You said the JJ's 100.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay. There you go.
I don't know, man. The JZX 100 is better than the other one.
Bye-bye, Fredo.
I'm gonna spin the ball back. Alright, now I'm gonna. That was a good one.
Solid cleanup.
I'm in a fever dream. Bogus. What the fuck was that, dude?